I will show you how to use ternary operators, okay? In this list, you want to make just a name list or phone number list. How can you do that? There is two ways. First is common way. Look at this. Name list equal empty, and for I in range 0 range data. Name list dot append data I 0 and print name list, and let's run. Yes, okay. We make just a name list from data, okay? And how can you make a phone number list? It's the same. Phone number, copy, and phone list, and it's one. And print phone list. Yes, we succeed, okay? And what is second way? Second way is ternary operators. It's so simple. Let's look. Name list equal, in here for I in range length data if okay if data I 0 is not known, phone list 1, print name list, print phone list 2. Okay, let's play. There is some mistake. Okay, there is some mistake. Let's run again. Yes, it's exactly the same. Okay, it is more simple. It is general way. Okay. If it is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.